Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Madhavin Shende, lecturer in Government Institute of Hotel Management. I'm lecturer in Rooms Division. So today I'll be teaching you about handling guest complaints. Guest complaints we do receive as front office is the heart of the hotel. All the guests having any sort of complaint, they come and contact the front office department. So it is our a responsibility to take the complaint seriously and solve the complaint of the guest. If we solve the complaint, the guest is happy and we have a goodwill, we will develop a goodwill for the hotel. So whenever we are handling the complaint, we have a five-step procedure that we need to follow when we are handling complaints. First is we have to listen thoroughly what the guest is saying. The complaint what the guest is making should be listened properly from us, our side. We should not interrupt the guest in between. We should not ignore the guest when he is telling you the complaint. We should take the complaint seriously and listen properly what he is saying. If we are not listening, the guest might get more angry, more irritated, and it can create a worse problem for us. Okay. The second step in handling complaint is empathize. We should always have an empathy towards the guest. We should consider the complaint very seriously and consider it from the point of view of the guest. We should need to have the empathy towards the guest as he is coming in the hotel, staying there, paying the hotel tariff and all. So we should think from his point of view and then try to solve the complaint. Third is apologize. No matter who has done the mistake, we need to apologize for the complaint. Even if we are not at a fault, then also we need to apologize because some of the reason that has hurt the guest. So apologizing is very important. Apologize to the guest, say sorry to him what has happened, and don't ever blame anybody else. Like if the complaint is from housekeeping, so you have to don't you have to not say like it is the problem of housekeeping, or this housekeeping department in our hotel is always create always create problem for us. No, you should not do all such things. Whoever has complained from the guest side, we should apologize him, and it is like a hotel, a whole hotel, we represent the whole hotel, so we should not blame any department for the complaint that has been upcome. Fine. The fourth step or the fourth action that we should do is take the action. Fine. So the action is the course of action that we will take in handling the complaint. You should have many options when you are giving the course of action or deciding the course of action towards the complaint that we have received. So you should have lot many options, and you should present that course of action in front of the guest, and if whatever the guest feels good, in whatever thing the guest is comfortable or happy, we should go on for, we should follow that particular course of action. But the course of action which we decide should be within the framework of the hotel management. We should not break that framework and solve the complaint of the guest. It is not always good to give the discounts or give the things complimentary to the guest and solve the problem. Fine. It is always better to give them additional service and solve the problem. Fine. And if the guest is happy, the fifth step is follow up. Fifth step is follow up. Follow up is whenever we have solved the complaint, we should always send a mail, letter, or personally speak with the guest and follow up the complaint. So now, like you can call the guest, sir. Now I think you are well settled in the room. Any other problem you are having? Have the problem been solved properly? This is the way you can take the follow up from that particular guest. Fine. So if we solve the complaint properly in this particular five stages, then we are solving the complaint properly, and the complaint then becomes an opportunity for you. It is an opportunity for you in your future that you are not creating such problems, or you have a course of action so that such problems do not occur in future. Fine. And if you don't follow the loop properly, and if you ignore the complaint, or if you don't follow the steps properly, that complaint can get worse and it can become threat to the hotel. I hope you have understood the guest handling guest complaint cycle. And thank you for listening.